Let's get it on, man. Let's get it on, hey. Let's get it on, man. Gotta get my money low. Let's get it on, man. Let's get it on, hey. Let's get it on, man.
Switch your house. I got big money, big cars, big chains and big locks. Playboy bunnies and cups of bar. I'm holding grain and candy drops, counting stacks and beating blocks. But boys talk down in the hay, but I'm not too concerned with them fools. I'm trying to get my paper straight. I'm all real, they all fake, all talk, all hype, all games, but not a player. They all bark and no bite. They throwin' salt with all they might. Me, I'm not the flexing type, but I know punk bitch, no, not quite. I'm pieced up and I bought no fight. They chatterbox and steady talking down on real G's, but keep it cool just like the breeze. Player like me about that cheese. Plenty noise, my accent speak. This gangster team is so elite. I'm representing that Swisher House, and all haters can kiss the cheek. All haters can kill theyself. If you don't like me, then come and fight me. Put them in check just like some Nikes and whoop that ass so politely. If you can't walk the walk, then really it ain't no need to talk. Let's get it on, we'll break you off.